Well, hello, J.L. Adamsson here, welcoming you to a Remodeler's Retirement Planning Guide overview of the National Guardian Life Estate Planning Trust, the 7-minute webinar, maybe 8. Some of you have already asked, and yes, this is being recorded. Whether live or recorded, look for a special offer at the end with our thanks for attending or viewing this presentation. Think about some of your life's most memorable milestones: getting married, starting a family, getting an education, or retiring, or simply saving for something special like a dream vacation perhaps, or a home. These events don't just happen. You consider options, you plan, you save. Why shouldn't legacy planning be one of those milestones as well? More and more each year, people just like you are taking the time to think about how they will be remembered, taking the time to make decisions now instead of leaving them for their loved ones. There is an easier way. The NGL Estate Planning Trust is a carefully crafted legacy planning tool that sets aside money specifically for transferring part of your wealth while covering your funeral expenses. The trust is designed to pay funeral expenses first, with any remaining monies paid to named beneficiaries. Securing your legacy with an insurance policy assigned to a trust means you will provide your loved ones with instant liquidity when funds are needed the most. There are several ways to fund using existing money that you may already have. Here's how the process works. First, you take existing funds from checking, savings, CDs, and 1035 exchanges, and then convert those into an NGL life insurance policy. Finally, that policy is then assigned to the NGL Estate Planning Trust, where the protected funds earn interest that is tax-free until needed. It is free from probate costs and delays, and is quickly paid out to the funeral provider to immediately cover expenses, and any excess funds are then dispersed to your named beneficiaries. It's a free-to-use trust for which you are guaranteed to qualify, that protects and yet provides quick access to the funds with a streamlined claims process. These key benefits make the NGL Estate Planning Trust a necessary part of your financial picture. The Estate Planning Trust is packaged very simply with an NGL single-pay life insurance policy, and it is offered free of charge. Simply assign your policy to this trust in the same transaction as your purchase, and the money is completely protected, so it will be there for your beneficiaries when they need it the most. Applying and qualifying for this valuable protection is easy. What helps set the Estate Planning Trust apart from other products is the claims process. Most claims are settled within 2 business days, and funds avoid probate costs and delays. This ensures that your beneficiaries will get the funds they need fast. While annuities are a great way to fund retirement, they may not be the best way to pass on a part of your wealth. Savings accounts, CDs, and money market accounts are subject to yearly federal income tax, and they require you to file an annual 1099, right? Mutual funds are affected by continual market fluctuations, and depending on your state's regulations, savings accounts, CDs, money market accounts, and mutual funds could be subject to probate costs. Compared to all of these, estate planning trusts are the only accounts that can help protect your assets against probate, lawsuits, creditors, income tax, and possibly Medicaid spend-down after your state's look-back period. In addition, the benefits are paid directly and immediately to the funeral home, again avoiding probate delays and sparing your family any additional stress. When you choose to make the estate planning trust a key part of your financial portfolio, you are choosing the easiest way to quickly pass on a portion of your financial legacy while relieving your family from having to pay for your end-of-life expenses. Since paying funeral costs is one of the benefits of the trust, it is probably helpful to know what those costs could be. So this chart provides a comparison of typical burial versus cremation costs depending on your personal preference, and can help you determine just how much to set aside for these expenses in your estate planning trust. While the trust covers your funeral expenses, it can cover so much more. Your family's going to encounter the same life-changing events that you did: children and grandchildren, tuition, medical expenses, housing. You can help upcoming generations by setting aside up to $100,000 in the NGL Estate Planning Trust. National Guardian Life Insurance Company, or NGL, is a mutual company based in Madison, Wisconsin. With over a 100-year history of providing excellent service and financial stability, they are proud to be a company you can trust. NGL continues to be one of the most highly rated companies in the industry, rated A Excellent by AM Best, the gold standard in independent review companies. This rating reflects the excellent ability of NGL to meet its ongoing insurance policy and contract obligations, and further attests to their financial strength. You're just 3 easy steps away from peace of mind. Start by getting on the calendar of your Adamsson Associate, and once you've decided on your financial plan, establish a trust-protected insurance policy from existing funds or by transferring cash value from a traditional life insurance policy. If you decide to pre-plan in addition to pre-fund, ask us for an NGL planning guide. This easy-to-follow guide will help you record basic information that your family will need, as well as allow you to outline any wishes you may have for a service. You may even decide someday to meet with a funeral planning professional to make a more detailed plan. It is also highly recommended that you make family members aware of your new NGL policy. Don't leave your financial legacy to chance. Now's the perfect time to start planning for the future. As a thank you for your time today, I mentioned a special offer. You know, we love our wealth managers, accountants, and especially our attorneys. They are the associates in our name, after all. If you need one, ask us for a referral. We know some good ones. That said, we know some of you have no estate plans or really bad ones because for whatever reason you don't like attorneys, no matter how talented or necessary they might be. So with their permission, Adamsson Associates has invested in the fastest growing, most comprehensive digital estate planning software in the country that's not available to the general public, and we would like for you to try it out for free. Your NGL Estate Planning Trust will be just one part of your comprehensive estate plan. Our user-friendly software quickly and easily can generate the rest, attorney drafted and state-specific. Kathy and I especially like the secure online document vault option for safe yet easy access our trustee can use when we are gone. It also allows us to review and amend everything but our irrevocable trust as often as we like or need, without having to bother a lawyer to do so. When you see the tremendous value for you and your next generation and decide to make the investment, please ignore the published full price that you'll find on our website, myestateplandocuments.com, and ask us instead for the NGL discount. We are Adamsson Associates. We're here for you, for your business, and beyond.